Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 255. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5, 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. The 3 is covering these two boxes, so our 3 must be here. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 7, 7 here, so 1, 6, and no help here, 1, 6, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so 6, 7, same here, 6, 7. 6 and 7 here and an 8 here means this is our 2, and then the only place our 8 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so 1, 4. Same here, 1, 4. We've got 1 and 4 here and a 9 here. So this is our 5, and the only place for our 9 to be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is 1, 6. No help here, 1, 4, 5, 6. 5 here, so 1, 4, 6. And if we look, the only place the 5 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 4 here, so 1, 7. 3 here, so 1, 4, 7. 7 here, so 1, 3, 4. The only place the 3 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 2, 8. No help here, 1, 2, 4, 8. Right. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. No help here, 1, 3, 4, 6. We've got 3, 4, and 6 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 1, 4, 1, 6, 4. Let's see what we can clean up here now. With that 4, we can get rid of this 4 and this 4. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1 and this 1. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. All right. If we look at this row now, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4, 5, and 7 here, so this is our 3. 4 and 5 here means this is our 7. 5 here makes this our 4, 5. For this box now, we're only missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. The 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 1, 4. And that 7 makes this our 1, 7. And that 1 makes this our 7. And so for this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.